Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file a business tax extension, full guide. Begin by identifying your business type and which extension form applies, then estimate taxes due and arrange payment to avoid penalties. Gather employer ID, prior returns, income records, and estimated expense totals. Fill the form carefully, double-check calculations, and submit electronically or by mail before the deadline to ensure your extension is accepted. Identify the correct form early to prevent mistakes and late submissions. Corporations often use Form 7004, while individuals and sole proprietors use Form 4868, and some partnerships require special forms. Check whether your state requires a separate extension or payment, since state rules can differ from federal rules. Prepare the form with accurate tax estimates, include necessary identification numbers, and choose electronic filing when possible for faster confirmation. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical tax walkthroughs for small business owners. Quick recommendation: I'm loving a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with long-term tax and investment planning. Check the description for the link and deals, grab your copy if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Calculate a realistic tax estimate using last year's numbers, current receipts, and expected deductions to avoid underpayment penalties. If you owe, make a payment by the deadline using EFTPS, direct payment, or debit card options to reduce interest and penalties. Save payment confirmations and the extension submission receipt, and adjust estimates later if needed when you complete your full return to ensure your final tax filing is accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.